In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a landing page in Systeme.io. By the end, you'll feel confident jumping into your account and making clean, effective edits that match your brand and your goals. Start by logging into your Systeme.io account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, head to the funnels section. Funnels are where your pages are organized by the journey you want visitors to take, so this is the best place to locate the landing page you want to update. Open the funnel that contains your landing page. If you manage multiple funnels, glance at the names and thumbnails to pick the right one for the campaign you're working on. Inside the funnel, you'll see a list of steps. These steps represent each page in the sequence. Find the landing page in that list and select it to view its options. Next, choose Edit Page. This opens the drag and drop editor where most of your work will happen. You'll see the page preview in the center and controls around it. Think of the canvas as the live page and the side settings as your toolbox. To modify text, click directly on any headline or paragraph and type your new copy. Use the settings panel to adjust font size, color, alignment, and spacing so everything is easy to read and on brand. Keep headlines clear and benefit focused and break up long blocks into shorter scannable sections. To update images, select the image element and replace it with a relevant visual. Choose files that are high quality but optimized for quick loading. You can tweak image size, add rounded corners, and ensure it aligns well with nearby text. If an image is purely decorative, keep it simple so it doesn't distract from your main message. For buttons, click the button element to change the text and style, make your call to action clear, use a contrasting color for visibility, and check the action so clicks go exactly where you intend, whether that's another page in your funnel or a specific link. If your page uses forms, select the form element to adjust fields, placeholders, and labels. Keep only the fields you truly need to increase completion rates. Update the submit button text to set expectations clearly. To refine layout, drag sections, rows, and columns to rearrange content. Adjust padding and margins to create consistent spacing and visual hierarchy. Group related elements together and keep important content near the top so visitors see it immediately. That's it. You've logged in, located your funnel, opened the landing page, entered the editor, and made targeted edits to text, images, buttons, forms, and layout. Happy building.